Hey guys, Michael here from Mayhem Collectables, just making a quick video on the easiest ways to identify fake Pokemon cards.
Guys, we've got our fake EVGX and our real Snorlax GX. Most noticeable difference is going to be the vibrancy of the colours. EVGX looks really flat and the Snorlax GX looks like it's supposed to be really bright and vibrant. So using the same fake EVGX, we're going to compare it to the Snorlax, and as you can tell, the back's the best way to find out if a card is fake or not. I always recommend keeping a real card when comparing it to a fake card, because you'll notice the borders are a lot darker blue, the Pokemon colours are different, and also this little patch here is quite different as well. Guys, so another thing that you're going to want to look for is cards that look like they're a legitimate card, like this Mewtwo EX, which is indeed fake. If you run your handle across it and it appears flat, the real cards have a texture, just like a fingerprint.
Okay guys, hope it was helpful. If you do have any questions, concerns or queries that your cards may be fake, just send us through a message on our Instagram or Facebook and we'll do our best to help you.